Let me ask you a quick question. When people say, I built a web app, do you think they just mean a website? Most beginners mix these up. So in this video, I'll explain web app versus website, static versus dynamic, and I'll translate scary tools like React, Node, Git, APIs in plain English. Stay till the end so you don't waste time learning the wrong thing. Here's the easiest way to remember it. A website shows information. A web app lets you do things. Real-life example. A website is like a poster or brochure. You read it and scroll. A web app is like a service or machine. You use it to perform actions. Examples you already know. YouTube is a web app. Login, subscribe, comment, upload. Gmail is a web app. Send, search, delete emails. Google Docs is a web app. Create, edit, save files. Online banking is a web app. Transfer money, view transactions. Quick test. If your project has accounts/login, save data, dashboards, payments, messaging, uploads, or user settings, you're usually building a web app because it stores data and responds to users. Now, static versus dynamic. A static website is like a printed restaurant menu. It shows info, and it doesn't change unless someone updates the file. Great for portfolios, landing pages, simple business sites. A dynamic website is like a restaurant with a waiter. You ask for something, and the system responds. Content can change based on data, like new posts, search results, or user profiles. Most web apps are dynamic because they depend on user data. Now the tools beginners hear and panic about. Here's the simple translation. React, a tool to build the front end faster when the UI gets complex, like using building blocks instead of placing bricks one by one. Node.js lets JavaScript run on the server, the back office that handles requests. Git/GitHub, a time machine for your code. Save versions, undo mistakes, collaborate. APIs, how apps talk to other services, like your app talking to payments, maps, or login systems. Databases, where user info, products, posts, and messages are stored, like a record room. And here's the key. You don't need all of this on day one. Day one is HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript. Everything else becomes easier once your foundation is strong. If this helped, hit subscribe, share this video with a friend learning web dev, and comment, are you building a website or a web app?